All right, y'all. We are going to cut the soap. A lot of friends asked if I would show what the soap looked like after 48 hours. I will cut it today, and then I have to let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks. Hence the paper plate fancy. So here it is. The soap is done. It has this wonderful minty, citrusy smell. I forget what the name was called. I got these really cool soap cutters on Amazon, and I can leave a link for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut these, so then we'll be able to see it. See what it looks like in the middle too. You can see actually that circle that's in the middle that you can see this is the reason why it needs to sit for 4 to 6 weeks to cure. So let me go ahead and cut the rest of these bars. I think I'm going to cut it in half and then cut the halves into thirds. I'm doing the wavy cut because I think it looks kind of cool. And then I'll end up having 6 bars of soap to use or share. This was a really cool experiment, working with the lye. I have never worked with lye before, and so this was a really fascinating experiment to use. I do not, let's see. So on the end pieces, you don't see that circle the same way that you do in the middle pieces where it's not quite, let me see. Oh, I can actually see the light come through it too. So I don't know if that will burn when it touches your skin, if it hasn't totally cured yet. Because remember that lye before it sets, or the soap before it sets, even when I poured it in here, the lye would still burn me. So yeah, it was kind of a effort to get this out, which is why I took it out before I went on the live. It got stuck in the middle. There's a little circle. You can see the little circle there. So I laid this upside down and literally took my elbow to start pushing it down to get it to unstick from the inside bottom of the soap mold. So this was a lot harder to get out than the other melt and pour soap that I have used in this in the past. So yeah, it'll be a little effort, but anyway, this is from the DIY soap maker kit from Simply Earth. I can leave a link and a coupon code for 10% off. The soap cutters, Amazon, I can leave a link for that as well. No discount code, sorry. Anyway, 4 to 6 weeks. We have to wait until we can use this wonderful soap. This was an interesting experiment. I would use the lye and make lye soap again. It is not as scary as I imagined it in my head to be. If you follow the instructions, which are in the soap maker kit, if you follow the instructions, you're not going to have a problem, which is why on the original video, you will see me masked. You will see me gloved. You will see me pouring the lye into the water and not the water into the lye. I had windows open. I had the ceiling fan on for good ventilation. I never smelled anything untoward or anything chemically smelling. I did put my cats up for that process as well, just to keep them safe because I know they're a little more sensitive. But anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them for me. I will be more than happy to answer them. And thank you for being a part of this. This was a really, really cool experience, and I look forward to trying something like this again. Have a great day. Bye.